Hi guys. I have two beautiful friends that sent me a gift, and this is the unboxing video of it. Marie-Louise and Kim decided to send me a gift, and I just want to say thank you so much. I did use the scissors to open up the box, but I have not looked at it. I think I do know what it's gonna be, but it doesn't matter because seeing something in person is such a different reality and you can see the beauty. So please, if you have not subscribed or seen their channels, please do so. I will link it in my description box. And if you ever see an artist on YouTube and you like their creations, please take a chance, because I guarantee you everything's going to be more beautiful and stunning in person. So on that note, I want to thank you ladies again, and I will bring you guys down so you can see the box. Thanks. All right, here we go. It's packed very well. And I'm so excited. I've been waiting a long time to open it. I've had it for a while, but I got sick with COVID and I just didn't have it in me to do an unboxing video. So I'm extremely excited. Aww, pretty present. And here's a good tip: if you guys buy frames or something, or anything that gets delivered and they have these are great for your art to ship because it protects the corners. Oh, look, she's got a little seal on the card. Isn't that pretty? I think I'm gonna read the card later, but I'm gonna open the artwork so you all can see how pretty it is. And the back is signed, and it says that it's sent with love and friendship from Kim and Marie-Louise. Thank you guys, and she's got it all ready for me to hang up. Okay, let's see what it is. I knew it! It's the gorgeous dragonfly. Look how amazing this is. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. Of course, I love dragonflies anyway, so that's always a perk. But gosh, you guys, seriously, if you ever see somebody's artwork, take a chance, because you don't know how glorious it is until you get it. And you can see all the beautiful detail and all the hard work that has gone into it. Really, this is just completely amazing. Thank you, Marie-Louise and Kim. I appreciate you guys so much. Love you guys. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Bye.